Do you want to become a man that every woman appreciates and values? Do you have what it takes to become desirable to women? If yes, you need to become a man they can trust and rely on. Someone with high value who is sophisticated, charming, and masculine. So, where do these high values come from? These are the questions we can help answer in this video, and we will teach you about the 10 traits of a high-value man. Traits that will make you more confident and alluring to women. Follow along to become the man who lights up every room he sets foot in. Make sure to watch the video all the way to the end to become the boss and the main character of your story. If you are new here, this channel teaches you how to become the best version of yourself and attract the women you want in your life, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let's start. 10. He's honest and upfront with women about his feelings. A high-value man is honest and upfront with women. If he wants something from a woman, he doesn't hold back on how he feels about her. At the beginning of a relationship, a woman can sense this and know he's genuine because his actions mirror his words. High-value men are honest with women because they believe it's essential to be upfront with them and not deceive them in any way. It also shows that he's willing to communicate what he wants out of the relationship, which is nice to see because it indicates that they have mutual goals and interests in life. Women don't enjoy being deceived or led on. Only a high-value man is honest with all women he's with, which makes him desirable. 9. He's respectful towards women. High-value men treat women with respect and are very respectful towards them, which means they don't come across as arrogant or disrespectful of women. He treats women with genuine respect, like he's not afraid of being judged or compared to other women. He never talks about how great she looks or complains about her. He understands that a woman has a lot of influence in the relationship and wants to take responsibility for his actions, which makes him more appealing to women. At the end of the day, if you want to make a woman attracted to you and have her have no reservations about being in your presence, then you need to be respectful towards her. High-value men understand this concept and think it's important enough for them to put in the effort required, even if it means having an easier time getting what they want out of life. 8. He's selfless while still maintaining his own identity. High-value men spend time thinking about what they want out of life, who they want to become, and which direction they want to take things. They don't concern themselves with what other people are doing or how others perceive them for the most part. This means that there's no competition between them and other men. No ego battles or comparisons are going on, which makes a woman feel safe knowing that the man she's dating is genuine and has his own identity. He knows what he wants and isn't trying to please someone else because it might not be necessary to him. 7. He's a visionary about life. A high-value man knows what he wants out of life but also has a vision of where he wants to go in the future. This vision gives him the drive to achieve his goals because he's willing to put in the extra effort to get there. A high-value man often has a clear idea of what he sees himself achieving in the future. He's got a plan and knows how to get there. Again, this is exciting to women because they recognize that he has vision, patience, and levels of focus that many other men do not possess. 6. He's a leader. A high-value man is a leader in some way, whether in his career, social circle, or a group of friends he can count on. He's well respected by his peers and gets things done. He's passionate about what he does and has the drive to make things happen. If other people respect him, they will follow behind him. So he has the power to get others to do what he wants them to, whether that means making changes in their careers, winning elections, or influencing other people who are important to him. Women are attracted to a man who is the center of attention. They get so much more turned on when they see someone who can get his way and make things happen. So if you want to work harder and create a more significant impression on women, surround yourself with other guys that can help you do this. Figure out what you want from life, develop goals, and make them happen. 5. He's a gentleman. In every sense, a high-value man is a gentleman. He treats women and other men who are close to him with dignity. He doesn't make suggestive comments or come across as too sexual in his pursuits. Women know that a high-value man is a nice guy, the type of guy who will open doors and make small talk with strangers. Women instinctively want to be around a man they can trust and rely on, so a woman needs to see that he's a gentleman. He knows how to treat women like ladies. He doesn't belittle or make fun of women in front of other men. He also never sleeps with women who are not his girlfriend or wife. High-value men always respect women and act in the most gentlemanly way possible, which makes them much more attractive to the opposite sex. 4. He's passionate about his interests. A high-value man is passionate about various aspects of his life. When interested in something, he follows it through to completion until he has mastered the subject or overcome any challenges he may have encountered. A woman finds passion exciting. It means she knows he works hard to reach his goals and cares about the things he cares about. She recognizes his love for what he is doing and wants to contribute because she appreciates the time and effort he puts into it. 3. He's ambitious. A high-value man is determined to get what he wants in life. He has a clear vision of what he wants out of life and pursues it with all his might. But most importantly, he takes responsibility for his actions and doesn't blame other people when things don't go his way. So while other guys are blaming the government or their parents, a high-value man is taking steps towards making his own destiny, whatever that may be. So figure out what you want to get out of life and do whatever it takes to get there. If you are still trying to figure out what you want, then start with small things and work your way up. The more successful experiences you have, the more confident you'll become in who you are and what you can achieve in the future. 2. He's nice to others. A high-value man finds it easy to be nice to other people. He has a gentle spirit and doesn't take people for granted. If he isn't nice to everyone, he is certainly nice to those close to him, including all the women in his life, relatives, friends, and women with his best interests at heart. High-value men are kind and sympathetic toward others, especially those in their lives. When a woman recognizes this trait, she feels comfortable being around him because he's not going to harm her or other people. When you're kind to others, they'll definitely remember it and want to stick around. 1. He's an expert in his field. A high-value man is driven by himself and laser-focused on his objectives. He is aware of who he is and what he wants from life. His focused persistence makes it almost impossible for him to get distracted or fail at anything he sets his mind to. And women love that. Hugh Hefner once said, "The most important sexual organ is the brain." Women are attracted to a man with self-confidence and drive. As the old saying goes, he who has the most toys when he dies wins. The same goes for men. Women want a man who is going somewhere with his life and has made something of himself. So a high-value man knows what he wants out of life and pursues it relentlessly until success is achieved. If you are still determining your path in life, start looking at things that interest you and how you can get involved in them. Part of being valuable is knowing what you are passionate about and, most importantly, being willing to explore these things. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.